Control system for transcritical CO2 booster units. We will look at all the hardware components of the solution in detail. Connections or disconnections must always be carried out with the power switch off. The USB-A port allows you to use a standard USB memory stick to upload or download the configuration, update the software, and update the BIOS. Manager. The micro USB port allows the controller to be connected to a PC for configuring parameters using the Device Manager software. The underside houses all the extra low voltage SELV connections, such as analog inputs, communication ports, and analog outputs. The CN18 connector on the left enables CAN bus connection to accessory modules, such as expansion modules, valve drivers, and remote keypads. If the controller is located at the ends of the CAN bus, the termination resistor provided with the kit must be connected to the L and H terminals. The CN19 connector features an RS485 serial port for connection to supervisory systems via the Modbus RTU protocol. In the first row of terminals, starting from the left, there is a second RS485 Modbus RTU serial port. Below are the analog outputs A01 to A04, the 24-volt digital inputs DI1 to DI8, the analog inputs AI1 to AI8, and the 5-volt DC and 12-volt DC outputs for powering the pressure transducers. On the second row of connectors are the analog outputs A05 to A06, the 24-volt digital inputs DI10 to DI12, the analog inputs AI9 to AI12, and the 5-volt DC to 12-volt DC outputs for the pressure transducers. On the top panel are the 24-volt AC-DC power supply, the Ethernet port, and the 230-volt AC low-voltage outputs. The RJ45 connector allows the controller to be connected to supervisory systems via the Modbus TCP IP server protocol. On the right is the power connector for the 24-volt AC-DC controller. The 3.5mm pitch connectors feature 250-volt AC 3-ampere relay-type digital outputs. Depending on the model, the DO1 and DO2 outputs may be of the 230-volt AC 0.5-ampere SSR type. The architecture allows the use of a remote keyboard. The remote keyboard replicates all the functions of the main keyboard fitted to the controller. At the rear, there is the CAN bus connector and the 24-volt AC power supply connector. There is also a connector for the CAN bus connection. There are two jumpers to the right of the CAN bus terminal. If the keypad is located at one end of the CAN bus, these must be inserted to terminate the line. The expansion module allows you to increase the number of available inputs and outputs. It is controlled by the main control unit via the CAN bus. Up to 7 expansion modules can be connected. Addressing is carried out using a combination of 2 switches located next to the CAN bus connector. If the expansion is at the start or end of the CAN bus line, 2 switches allow the serial line termination to be enabled. The valve driver enables control of both the high-pressure valve, HPV, and the receiver valve, flash gas, via the CAN bus. Unlike control via analog output, the CAN bus allows all valve diagnostics to be carried out on the controller and supervisor. The valve settings and the required opening percentage are supplied by the main controller via the CAN bus. In the event of a power cut, the battery modules enable the valves, HPV and FVG, to move into the safety close position.